Okay, Mr. Seward here, and now that we've got our title strip complete and it's ready to go, we have to put it into what's called paper space. Now, if you look down here in the lower left corner where we have our XY axis, you'll see the word model. That's what the black paper is here. This is what's called model space. This is where we do drawings and stuff like that. In this case, the drawing was the actual title strip itself. Now, I'm going to click on layout number 1, and that's going to bring up this white sheet of paper, and this is paper space. You want to put our title strip onto this white sheet of paper in paper space, but there's a couple things we have to do first. So the first thing is I'm going to go to where it says layout 1 here. I'm going to put my cursor. I'm going to right click. I'm going to hit page setup manager. Now I'm on layout 1. This is layout 1, and I'm just going to hit the word modify. Now, you're not going to give the plotter a name, okay, because you're going to plot this drawing at school and not at home. So, or you could do it. You could do it at home if you want, but I would just recommend giving it none as a name for the plotter. Down here where it says paper size, right now, this has ANSI D as the paper size, and I'm going to select on that little arrow there. I'm going to pull this all the way up, and you're going to see the word letter 8.5 by 11 at the top of the page. I'm going to click, and you'll see this little graphic up here, update, as you go along, and you might have seen a difference in the paper. I'm not sure. Let's see. Oh, well, you definitely see a difference in the paper when I hit OK. And now I can close this. The next thing is that I need to do is I need to create what's called a viewport or a viewing plane or whatever they want to call it into my model space. So I'm going to go up here to our menu where it says layout. I'm going to click the word rectangular. I'm going to bring my cursor out, and right where the cursor is, you'll see this box, this dashed line box that goes around here. I don't want to put this box that I'm going to create, this rectangle, outside of those dashed lines. Those are like margins, and if I put something out there, it will not print. So I'm just going to come inside of that. I'll go down here to the lower right corner and click again, and it automatically just went and found my title strip for me. So how I use this, I'll just do this for you right now, is I'm going to double click on the inside of this. Now I'm actually operating in model space. I'm going to push F7 to get rid of those grids. So I could actually use this to put my drawing onto. So anyways, that is how we get the title strip into paper space.